my name is Olivia. I'm the owner of Procreate, where I help crafties like yourself express their unique creative attitude. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new Procreate stamps. It's super easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the brushes that you have available. So you have 10 brushes available, so let's have a look at all 10 of them, and then I'll show you how to export them inside of your planner, and then how to use them. Pretty simple and self-explanatory, especially if you already use Procreate. So the first stamps we have is a water tracker. So there you have it. So let's do another one. The second one is a health tracker. Then we have a weight tracker. Pretty cute one, this one of my favorite. Then you have a fitness goal kind of a sticker, kind of stamp. Then you have a strength tracker. That's for you if you're lifting weight or using machines to see how much weight you are using to kind of track your evolution. This is your goal. This is kind of fun. Let me just make it smaller if I can. Yeah, fine. This is your health tracker. So to track everything from your steps to your sleep to your meditation to your medication to your no sugar day, no alcohol day, your gym, and then your overall health if you're sick or in good health. This is a full year of workout. This is pretty practical. I really like this one, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I'll show you in your planner. Of course, you can change the colors of the trackers if you like. Let's pick a blue just to change a little bit. This is a monthly tracker, so you work out monthly. So you can see you can make it blue, whatever other color. Let's pick pink. Oops, that's very, very small. This is a measurement tracker, so pink's a bit too light. Let's go for black. So here you can track your measurement for your arms, your bust, your waist, your hips, your thighs. So that will really help you out for that. And then we have a weight control here. So this is your weight control from month to month. So now let's see how you can export that to your planner. So it's very simple. What you're going to do is remove the backgrounds in Procreate and then export it as a PNG format and save image. Okay? So once you are in GoodNote 5, what you want to do is click on that little image here and then choose a photo, the last one you just downloaded, and that's the stamp you just created. So what you want to do now is crop it to the right size, and that's it. You have your stamp. Okay? That's pretty awesome. So now let's see some stamps or some table that you might need help with. So let's export maybe this one, which can be quite confusing without explanation. So I'm just going to export it, and I see you in GoodNotes. And so the way you use this is, for example, let's say you will do, I don't know, squats. Okay, so squats here, deadlift here, and then what you will do is here you will write the weights that you were using and your evolution throughout the days, right? So it's pretty simple. So I would say 10 kgs here, and then as I get stronger, we'll put 20 here. And as you go, you can kind of track how strong you're getting as you exercising. So let's look at another one that might not be that simple to use. So let's have a look at this one, which can be quite confusing because there's a lot of information on it. So I'm going to use it another page. There you go. So you have it in your planner. You have it positioned better than I do. So basically I'm going to just describe what the symbols represent. So the little heart that you see here is just your overall health. So let's say you're in good health for quite a while, and on the 14, you're sick. So just right here, sick. So you might be sick for a few days. And for the rest of the month, you're pretty healthy. This is your workout schedule. So with the dumbbell here. So I would say, okay, I worked out on the 2nd. So I'm going to do it with a little bit of a bigger pencil here. I worked out on the 2nd. I worked out on the 4th. On the 6th, I didn't work out. So I'm going to do, I don't know, even nothing, or maybe like a black button to say I didn't work out on the 8th and on the 9th. So this is how you use it. And then no sugar days, the same thing. So no sugar. I was very good the first, I'd say, 4-5 days. And then I was really bad those days, and then really good again on the 8th and the 9th and the 10th, etc. No alcohol days, the same thing. So you could say, okay, I was really good most of the day today. And then came the weekend, and I did drink a little bit of alcohol, but then I was very good. And that's your medication tracker. So pretty self-explanatory. You took your medication every other day. It could be your pill or everything else you're using. Same goes for water. Here you can track the time, right? The time that you're tracking things. So let's say that I'm tracking this. I'm adding these dots at, I don't know. Let me see. At 2 p.m. and here at 3:30 a.m. p.m. Makes more sense. Okay, 3 p.m. Okay, so here you're writing the time that you are tracking your health items. Then same goes for meditation. So let's say you meditated, okay, for every other day. So it's pretty easy. Your sleep, the same thing. You can kind of manage the quality of your sleep, and so you can say I slept very well. So you can do your own little references here. You can say I slept very well for 3 days, and then not as good for 2, and then super well, like too much maybe on those days. So you can also change things up, and these are the amount of steps that you're doing all day for those of you who are tracking your steps. So I don't know, 2,000. Oh, that's a bit much. Maybe 2,000 steps or 1,000 steps or whatever, right? So this is how you use this tracker. It's pretty simple, really. So let's see another one that you might need guidance with. So let's do this one. So this is pretty simple. This is a year of workout. So what you want to do here is write the type of workout that you're doing. So it could be an insanity workout. It could be biking. It could be walking. Okay. And what you're going to do here is colored the square here. You do it better than me, guys, of course. Biking also, just color it like that. And then you're going to do walking. Better than I do. So you said, okay, we are in February 28th, and today I've done walking. So what you do is color it green because it was walking, right? Tomorrow I'm going to do an insanity workout, so I'm just going to pick purple, or rather not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. And this is what you do. And so you continue to do that for March, April, May, and so you will have an overview of your year and how much you worked out for the year. So there you go, guys. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory, but I just wanted to illustrate some of them so that you know how to use them. So you might want to customize the templates too. So what you're going to do is pick a palette of your choice, and then maybe say, oh, okay, she's a brunette, so you can make her brunette. You can color her skin too. Oh, she's pretty. She's a nice, cute brunette, so I'm just going to color her skin. Of course, it's very basic, but it's still nice that you can customize it that way. You can see that the ears are not great, so what you can do is grab a simple brush and then, okay, just like this, not very complicated. And you can see that her skin here there's a few white spots here, so we're just gonna color it quickly. Oops. There you go. So you can, I'm gonna put a bit of lipstick on her like that. It's gonna have blue eyes, whatever eye color I want, but I'm gonna make it blue. Oops. Or gray eyes rather. Like this. And then color ears here like that. You can just have fun, you know, coloring a body. So I'm gonna give her a blue bathing suit because why not? There you go. And then what I'm gonna do is color the measuring tape. I'm gonna do orange because I find it cute. So inside we're gonna go a little bit darker there. Let me see, maybe a little bit darker. There you go. So, you know, just have fun with it, guys. You know, it's not complicated. And some of you are very good at Procreate. You know exactly what to do. It's not very complicated. You can readjust as you go and use your own creativity after that too. You know, if you have problems, just do this. It's just much easier. So zoom out completely. Okay, so let's color this part here red. Why not? And if you want, you can color the table or leave it as is. I feel like I missed something. She has a little spot here that is not colored. So there you go. You can have, you know, a colored template if you like. You will do it better than I do. Of course, this was a quick demo, but you can customize your templates. You can make them different colors or whatever it is you want to do. You can also create a dashboard on your planner. So it's a pretty fun template pack and Procreate brushes back to you. So I hope you like it, and I hope you have fun using it. Make sure to share your creation in the Facebook group. If you haven't joined already, the link is down below. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook. Our handle is @Progipad. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope it was super helpful. I will see you in the next video. Bye.